that, whoa, we had that powerful breathing connection. We did jive. We had amazing feel through the bodies. So it was really fun for me to dance together. So how about this dance? Do you want to have fun in samba? What about you? Of course, yes. So, but that's not easy to create. So we've been, practicing for a while to get this. But guess what? If you have a pelvis tilt action, what's going to happen? You're going to start feeling each other and connecting to each other. And you see, this will create that breathing feel, womb, like a wave between us, womb, womb, ta-ta. So we dancing not next to each other, but more towards each other. Womb, da-da, womb, da-da, womb, da-da, womb. And the same I like feeling in Botafogo as well. It's going to take time to feel it, but we're going to give you drills and exercises. This is just introductory. Like if I dance with my partner Botafogo, what we'd like to feel that breathing wave between us. And that's come from correct usage of your pelvis. Boom, boom, boom. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1. And therefore, later on, we will show you how you can actually change direction. Because if you want to breathe away from your partner, you have to get connected to your partner first in here. And then we can work again away from each other. Boom, boom. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 2, 2. So even basic walks, they can be really fun if you know how to do it. Okay, guys, check out more my lessons, drills, exercises, technique, about samba, about other dances. Improve and become amazing. See you.